Hello guys, welcome to CeoFix channel. If you wanna watch more video like this, always stay subscribed. In this video I will try to show you easiest way to find out if your PC has TPM support. A Trusted Platform Module, TPM, is a specialized chip on an endpoint device that stores RSA encryption keys specific to the host system for hardware authentication. The specifications for the chips, which also go by the same name, were developed by the Trusted Computing Group, TCG. These chips are more commonly called TPM chips or TPM security devices. A TPM can also be used to store platform measurements that help ensure that the platform remains trustworthy. There are many ways to find out if your Windows PC has a TPM chip, for example. Using TPM Management Tool. Using Device Manager. Using Command Prompt. Checking BIOS. But all of them require many steps, and they are not suitable for the novice users. TPM is important because Microsoft infused Windows 11 with an onerous new requirement that blocks any system without Trusted Platform Module, TPM 2.0 tech from installing the new operating system. How to check TPM chip using Settings app. Open Settings. Click on Update and Security. Then click Windows Security. Click on Device Security. If the Security Processor option is available, then your device has a hardware TPM chip. You can click Security Processor Details to find your Trusted Platform Module, TPM, chip version number. If your device does not support a Trusted Platform Module, TPM, you will see a Standard Hardware Security Not Supported message. Standard Hardware Security Not Supported mean your device has no TPM chip. Alternatively, we have coded a script to make your job easier. Just download the script at the end of the page. Password, CeoFix, and unzip it. Then double-click on it. Device security page will be opened directly. Okay. That's all. Please subscribe CeoFix channel. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up and you can comment. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.